Hello, friends, and welcome here. Today, we are going to talk about the Benjamin Sesko, a Slovenian superstar and the RB Leipzig superstar who has been searching by the most demanded on the Europe. So he has been brilliant in Bundesliga and he has appearance won 17 appearance and he has scored 14 goals with 2 assists, as well as in the UEFA Nation League. He has also scored 3 goals for the Slovenia with the 2 assists. In Champions League, he has scored 2 goals and 1 assist. Similarly, in DFL Cup, he has scored 2. So he is a very good center forward who has 26 appearances for the RB Leipzig and he has scored 14 goals with the 4 assists. And he has come 19 times in the sub and he scored the 5 goals. So Benjamin Sesko is one of the most targeted men in the football era, with the Manchester United, Arsenal, Chelsea have all approached Sesko since March and April. So he is a key and the hot news in the Europe recently. So talking about his 23 and 24 assists, he has 31 appearances for the RB Leipzig with the 14 goals and 2 assists. So he is the 50% in the starting 11 and has almost averaged 50 minutes and to 21% of goal participation for the German RB Leipzig. He is the superstar for the RB Leipzig. That's why he's most demanded. He is the tennis sensation, and what a player he has been for, especially in the heading. He is a special player in the high jump. So talking about his transfer history, he came in the RB Leipzig in 22-23 and that was a 24 million transfer fee. So he has been good from the RB Salzburg to RB Leipzig, a amount of 24 million transfer. So this is the transfer history. We can see him clearly. Talking about his stat in Bundesliga, he has scored already 14 goals and 2 assists. And the current clubs which are mostly interesting is from the Paris Saint-Germain, Arsenal, Chelsea, and Saudi Pro League Al FC. So talking about his career young age in Slovenia, he has already scored 11 goals in 28 assists, and others are his under 19, under 17, under 16, and under 15 performance with the 14 goals, 1 goals, 4 and 6. So this is about the young sensation Benjamin Sesko. Hope you like it and comment down. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.